Before launching your DCA Assist, it's important to understand these main strategy settings. You can choose between spot and futures. Spot is ideal for long-term trading with real assets. You trade using what you actually hold. Futures allows you to trade with leverage, giving the potential to profit from rising or falling prices. But it also increases your exposure to market risks and potential losses. Choose a short and clear name for your assist to differentiate it easily from others. Then select the exchange account where you want to configure your assist. In the main section, you can specify the trading direction. Long versus short. Long. Let's say you have USDT in your balance. Your assist buys Ethereum when the price drops and sells Ethereum when the price rises again. End result. In a successful trade, you could end up with more USDT by buying low and selling high, though outcomes depend on market performance. Short. You must already hold the base asset, for example, Ethereum. The assist sells Ethereum at a high price and buys it back cheaper as the price drops. Result. In a successful trade, you could end up with more Ethereum. Futures market. In futures, you don't actually hold the coin. Everything is managed via positions. Long. Your assist opens a long position when expecting the price to rise. If the price increases, it closes the position at a higher price, capturing the difference as profit. Short. Your assist opens a short position expecting the price to drop. If the market moves down, it closes the position lower, and you profit from the price decline. Switch between single and multi-pairs. Single pair lets your assistant focus on just one trading pair. Multi-pair expands your strategy across several assets, which may help reduce exposure to a single asset's performance and create more opportunities to engage with the market. Use all pairs. And if you put fetch the latest pairs from the exchange on, your assist will automatically track updates for pairs from the exchange after it is a new listing or delisted. It's all about smarter setups, clear direction, and flexible pair options. Let's move to the next section.